Okay, hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope that everybody is doing well. It's me, Tshidi Radebe, back on your screen once again. And to my right is Lorata, a familiar face. Say hi.
Hi everybody.
And then there's Linda to my left as always. Say hi.
Hi.
Giving us all natural beauty and shit. Okay, so today we're going to be doing what? What are we doing today?
Who's most likely to?
Who's most likely to? It was their idea and I was like, okay, cool, we will do it. So I'm going to be looking on my phone. Okay, so don't be like, what is she looking at? It's me looking on my phone. So without any further ado, let us get right into it. Alright, who is most likely to kill someone accidentally?
Me.
You. Who's most likely to accidentally set the house on fire? You. I don't know why I'd say you. I don't.
Exactly.
I feel like you're the type. I mean, just a couple of weeks ago you did something. You just like, but here I did something, and I was like, okay, I'll say it's me. Who's most likely to be expelled from school? You. Who is most likely to snitch on their siblings? You.
Not a snitch.
Who's most likely to stay in bed all day?
You.
Who's most likely to get caught sneaking out? I don't know. Like, I don't know. I really don't know because you guys don't do stupid stuff.
We don't.
So I don't know.
Why would I say?
Who's most likely to be a bully? You. You.
Oh no.
Who's most likely to be a daydreamer? You. Who's most likely to be a heartbreaker? You.
Tshidi.
Why me?
Two fingers say you.
Okay, fine. Who's most likely to be afraid
fine.
of watching horror movies? You.
How is it legit? I'm so scared.
When the thunder goes,
I don't play with no thunder.
Okay. Who's most likely to be afraid to share their opinion on in the conversation?
Linda.
Who's most likely to eat a whole pizza by themselves under half an hour?
Linda.
Who's most likely to end the world?
End the world.
I would end the world.
By doing what? How do you even end the world?
I don't know.
You kill everyone?
How about
And
you?
you'll be okay with that?
No, I don't kill everyone.
What do you do?
I just decide if there were like a button just to press, I would.
You would do that?
Yeah.
You're heartless.
I'm not.
Who's most likely to end up alone? Yeah, that is
Silly.
very much.
She won't be alone. She'll have a dog or something.
Exactly. You see, I won't be alone.
She won't be alone.
Okay, who's most likely to become a comedian? Me.
Tshidi.
Because I'm the funniest.
I'm dry as hell.
Who's most likely to become a divorcee?
I
I think she's like the first one to get married or something.
I
Exactly.
don't think I'd get a divorce. I'm wife material. Do you see the shirt? What?
What are you trying to say about us?
Y'all. No. I know. Different words in my mouth.
I didn't even say anything.
I can see with your eyes.
Okay, who's most likely to stay in a toxic relationship?
Linda.
Yep. Who's most likely to marry first? Linda.
What?
You wouldn't get married. Who's gonna marry you?
Someone is gonna marry me. I know it. Someone is out there and they just like, you know what? This is my wife.
Okay, shut up. Who's most likely to marry for something other than love? For what exactly?
Last week we had a conversation about polygamy and monogamy and
But I think Tshidi independent should have everything. So if she go in a relationship, it wouldn't be like for something other than being in the relationship. I don't think any one of us. Would
I
go
know
in
the truth. I can see it.
What's the truth? What's the truth?
We're not talking like material wise, but
Okay. Who's most likely to kill a cheating partner? Here with like 10
Okay.
fingers, like if I had like in my tongue, like if I could like.
There you go, man. It's you. Like no, it has to think about it.
no.
Okay.
Cheat.
Who's most likely to snatch someone's partner? Me!
Exposed.
It is a snake.
It's a
Tshidi.
Okay,
You have been exposed. What was the reason?
Okay, who's most likely
Thank
to
you.
be a good parent? Myself.
Tshidi.
Who's most likely to be a stingy parent? Myself.
You.
Who's most likely to be a strict parent?
You.
Myself. Who's most likely to be a cool dad or mom?
Me. No. I'm gonna.
Okay, we actually lying. Linda would be the best mom.
Huh?
She would.
What about me? You guys acting like I'll never have kids.
I didn't say that. Just your kids would just be not normal.
Yeah.
Who's most likely to remain asleep while the alarm is ringing?
Linda. It's Linda Tshidi.
Both of y'all. You always say, Linda, wake me up midnight. I'm going to study.
Thank
It's
a lie. And then she's like, you didn't wake me up.
Yeah, in the morning you didn't wake
Imagine.
me up. Okay, who's most likely? Why did we do that voice? For
Exactly. Because I'm
Okay, who's most likely to remain calm during a storm?
Me.
Myself.
Me.
You are the last one.
I am the last one.
Linda is a panicker. Okay, well that's a wrap. That's a wrap, my people. I hope I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you haven't subscribed, according to my, do you want to say the word that you always struggle with? It starts with an A.
Crap.
Yeah.
Analytics.
Yes, according to my analytics, you guys
Analytics.
have not subscribed. And guess what? I can see. And guess what? We're in quarantine, so you might as well
I will find you.
subscribe. Please don't threaten the people. But yes, it'd be great if you could. Like, I depend on you, and
Yeah,
you know I
actually.
give you good content. So just hit that subscribe button, and then
Actually.
after that, hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I release a video.
It's red for a reason.
Exactly.
It's red for a reason.
Okay, guys, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.